Police are now offering a reward of $2,000 to anyone with information that leads to the arrest of the 5 prisoners who escaped from Namboro's medium security on Monday night. Still at large are 25-year-old Josiah Usumaki, who is currently serving a 23-year sentence. 28-year-old Solomon Ngurai also is on a life sentence for murder. Iso Awanga, who is serving an 8-year jail term, Tebita Sungu and Epeli Garnigio.
The Fiji police force is now mobilizing its entire manpower to get its hand on the 5 prisoners still at large. Although not ruling out the men's involvement in a recent spate of criminal activities, police say the pattern of criminal behavior is just too close to ignore. Over the last 48 hours alone since their escape, there have been 5 major robberies around the capital. Evidence gathered so far point to a related series of events, also leading them to suspect the same group of people involved.
Most of those that are on run, we all know that they are well-known criminals. The previous convictions indicate them committing and they are serving sentence because of the nature of the offences that they have committed.
Police also not ruling out that more people could be involved in this recent breakout. That suspicion is now the subject of a major internal inquiry now within our corrections service.
You can just see how they escape from prison, the way they escape, and how they are conducting themselves around. So it's a well-planned, that is what we can assume from how they are operating. And that is a challenge for us. It's a challenge for the Fiji police. And we would like to be on top of this.
While police are so far leading this manhunt, they have not ruled out calling on other law enforcement agencies for additional help. Police also adding that only if the need does arise, they will have to seek additional help from the military.
At the moment, we are playing the leading role, and the police and the correction service are working closely, and the military also, as usual. They used to assist us on such occasions like this.
People are also reminded that anyone found guilty of harboring any of the criminals can face a jail term of at least 7 years.
At the moment, I can confirm that we have not arrested any of them. However, there are some leads to the investigation that we are heading into. And along that line, I would request the members of the public again on your assistance.
In the meantime, police has beefed up its operations right across the Western and Southern Division. Halitesh Dutt, Fiji One News.